Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create a group chat on Instagram. So I have my Instagram opened and we're going to create a group chat. So the first thing we're going to do is click on this direct message button right here on the top right corner of our screen. Then we can click on this button and select the account that you want to add to your group chat, and I'm just going to select this account and also this account, and after that we can click on create group chat. Alright guys, and now the group chat has been created, and if you want to add another member to this group chat, you can simply click on members right here, and you can also change the theme of this group chat, and you can also put name of this group put the name of this group by clicking on this button, and I'm just going to name this group like this. Alright, okay guys, and that's how we can create a group chat on Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.